Hi, I'm Liz Grose, a school psychologist and senior assessment consultant at Pearson Clinical Assessments. And I am so excited to give you a sneak peek of the brand new KBIT-2 Revised. All right, let's check it out. First impressions out of the box, the exterior of the materials. It's colorful, it's fun, it's bright, it's refreshed. I know that's silly, but I appreciate it, and I think my students will too. The other thing I have always loved about the KBIT is that the administration directions are embedded in the stimulus book and the record form. It just cuts down on extra materials. It keeps administration simple, so I'm glad that that stayed. Looking at the artwork, the outdated artwork has been updated. The correct, incorrect responses have also been updated to just more closely reflect students' everyday lives in today's modern world. And looking at the end of the matrices subtest, there's some new items that extend that ceiling, perfect for gifted and talented evaluations. All right, next, the manual. Yes, we have new norms. And yes, we have updated intercorrelations with other tests. But the thing I'm most excited about are the sections on remote administration, because the KBIT-2 Revised includes new norms from remote administered cases. This allows you to be flexible and meet students where they are. All right, and finally, the record form. It's nice, it's clean, it's simple, but you know what? I'm probably gonna skip the hand scoring because KBIT-2 Revised includes the option for digital scoring on our Q Global platform. Well, there you have it, the KBIT-2 Revised, a brief assessment of verbal and nonverbal intelligence, nice wide age range, simple, flexible administration, but with some important updates and a fresh new look.